today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use donation blocks on Squarespace to enhance your website's functionality and maximize its potential for receiving contributions. Let's dive right into it. To start, make sure you open Squarespace and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your home page. Now, let's direct our attention to the lower left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see the Settings option. Give that a click to open a menu filled with different settings that manage various aspects of your website. Within these options, click on Selling. This section will lead you to Payments, a page where you can manage the financial aspects of your site. At this point, you're presented with two options. You can either connect directly to Squarespace Payments for a streamlined integration, or you can choose a third-party payment processor like Stripe or PayPal, depending on your preferences and the specific needs of your organization or business. With payment processing set up, let's move on to adding a donation block to your website, a crucial step for those looking to accept donations. Start by clicking Edit on the page where you wish to add the donation feature. Squarespace allows you to modify your page's layout by adding various blocks, and for our purposes, you'll want to select Add Block. From there, choose Donation. Once the donation block is in place, double-click on it. This action opens up settings that let you customize both the functionality and the design of your donation block. It's important to make it visually appealing and intuitive for your supporters, ensuring they can contribute with ease. You have the ability to update the button text to align with your message or branding, which enhances user experience and encourages engagement. After you're satisfied with the design, click on Content once more, as we still need to configure some important details. Head over to Funds to update the disclaimer, ensuring transparency for your donors about where their money is going. Additionally, you can define donation amounts, offering visitors preset options or allowing them to input their own. Don't forget to explore the recurring donation settings if you want to provide supporters with an option to give regularly. When you're happy with all your settings and changes, it's crucial to click Save to ensure everything is set up correctly and ready to go live. This final step will lock in your customizations and make your donation block operational. By following these steps, you'll have a functional donation block on your Squarespace website, ready to facilitate contributions seamlessly and aid your efforts in achieving your fundraising goals. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.